Hi guys, Malcolm Crooks, Impact Realty Group at Edge Realty Solutions, here inside of 179 First Line in Elora, and did a quick tour outside earlier and wanted to show an inside tour of the property. Again, we're hosting an open house this Saturday afternoon, 1:30 to 2:30. Hope to see you here. If you have questions at all, please reach out. I'll just turn this around, have a quick tour of the house so you guys can have a look for yourself. So again, we have a great kitchen here overlooking the backyard. Nice peninsula there, open to your dinette. Got a bay window again out to the backyard. Just have a quick look out there. All trees, surrounded fully by trees here. Again, just over 2 acres. This dinette area is open to the sunken living room. Got a wood stove, wonderful hardwood floors here. There is a main floor bath, again, which is nicely updated with a glass shower. And then this is off of a main floor master bedroom. So really convenient for those people looking to be on the main floor. Quickly out to the main floor hallway here, front entrance. And you do have a great formal living room. Open to a formal dining room at the front of the house here. Big enough to host your family dinners. You can have a quick run upstairs and just show you some of the features of this great home. Top of the stairs here, we've got a great space for a home office. Lots of people these days looking to work from home. Great space there. We have a bedroom on this upper level. Really cool nook at the front. It's Cape Cod style home, so it gets you that unique nook there. Again, we've got a fully updated bath on the second floor here. Again, with a nice glass shower. Then you go through to a bedroom. So third bedroom is on the upper level here. Now, a really unique thing here is if I go through this door, I'm going to go to a potential in-law suite. Their daughter used to live up here. This was her first space on her own. Again, a little kitchenette there. You got a dining area here. There's a full bath to the left side here, and then this overlooks the really cool space living room here, and then there's a loft area above. Kind of cool with a bed set up there. So really this is an awesome space for in-laws, potentially an Airbnb, somebody wanted to run that, a home business. It does have a separate entrance up off of the garage entry to the main floor. So totally separate entrance to this space. Again, folks, just finishing up the tour here. I wanted to give you an idea of what this house looks like from the inside. If you've got questions at all, please reach out, and hope you have a wonderful day.